Hi, I'm Dr. William Starsiak at Starsiak Aesthetics. I read another interesting article recently on photobiomodulation. This was looking at a study with 90 participants in it. It involved a university in China and in the UK, and it was studying the effects of photobiomodulation on memory. Now, we've already demonstrated in animal models and mice that photobiomodulation improves memory. We've shown in humans that it improves attention, emotion, reaction time, and accuracy. But this is the first study to demonstrate an improvement in working memory. So the way it worked is, and I'll do it on myself while I'm explaining it. Now you're going to have to bear with a little bit of background noise when you turn the laser on. It's got a lot of coolers on it. So what they looked at was using a 1064 neodymium YAG, which is the sort of laser I have right here. And if you watch my other videos, you know that this laser does not resonate with water much at all. So it's able to penetrate deeply. They compared this to another commonly used wavelength of photobiomodulation and actually showed the 1064 superior, which makes total sense because it has the deepest penetration. So they applied the treatment over the right frontal bone for 12 minutes. So what's happening here is that photons are passing through the skin, the subcutaneous tissue, through the bone, and they're entering the brain. What this is going to do is modulate the activity of the neurons in the brain. Exactly what's happening is yet to be mapped out. We know there are mitochondrial effects, we know there are growth factor effects, stem cell effects, direct DNA effects, but exactly which one is responsible for the improvement in working memory still needs to be worked out. But basically what they did was they had people complete memory tests before and after treatment. Some people got sham treatment, some people were treated with other wavelengths, and the people that were treated with the 1064 for 12 minutes, they were able to recall about 25% more than the other participants. And with a group of 90, that's decent power, so we can say that that's going to be a significant result that should be able to be repeated. They chose the right frontal area because of its association with memory, with working memory. And at the same time that they were applying the laser treatment, they were also following an EEG to see what sort of changes they saw. And they saw increased activity in regions associated with working memory. So it made total sense. The laser is increasing neuronal activity in these memory centers, specifically working memory for visual memory. So the test that was done looked at their recallability for visual input. The author of this study actually suggested that this could potentially be applied for ADHD because it helps with attention. But certainly we could see the possibility for dementia because of the memory component. But it also has improvements in reaction time. So you could see athletes, military personnel, all sorts of application of using light as medicine. It's a pretty fantastic field. It's a pretty fantastic idea. What better medicine than light? There's not a significant temperature increase here. You can barely feel it. It just feels pleasantly warm when it's being done, but we do get a little bit of vasodilation afterwards. It's not the only thing we can use photobiomodulation for, but it's definitely a very exciting application. Remember, subscribe to my channel, like this video, check out my other videos, and I'll see you next time.